Ever wondered how to start your day with a burst of health and flavor? Look no further than the Berry Smoothie Bowl, a plant-based breakfast that's as delicious as it is beneficial. This recipe calls for a cup of frozen mixed berries, a frozen banana sliced up, half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of your favorite non-dairy yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and toppings of your choice like fresh berries, sliced almonds, or granola. Start by blending together your frozen berries, banana, almond milk, non-dairy yogurt, and chia seeds. Ensure that your blender is set to a speed that will ensure a smooth consistency. The result is a vibrant cold smoothie packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Next, pour this nutritious blend into a bowl. Here comes the fun part. Decorating your smoothie bowl, sprinkle on your chosen toppings, whether they be a handful of fresh berries, a sprinkle of sliced almonds, or a dusting of granola. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. And there you have it. Your berry smoothie bowl is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately and relish in the refreshing taste and creamy texture of your homemade health-boosting breakfast. This berry smoothie bowl is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a boon for your health. The berries are loaded with antioxidants, the banana provides a healthy dose of potassium, and the chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. The almond milk and non-dairy yogurt add a touch of creaminess, while providing a dose of calcium. Plus, it's a plant-based option, making it perfect for those following a vegan or vegetarian diet. So the next time you're in search of a breakfast that's both healthy and delicious, remember the berry smoothie bowl. It's the perfect way to kickstart your day, keeping you energized and satisfied until lunch. Enjoy!